Welcome to Pantry Staples, brought to you by Mount Carmel's Healthy Living Center and Lower Lights Christian Health Center's Jubilee Healthy Food Prescription Program. I'm Clarissa, your dietitian from the Jubilee Market and Cafe. Today, I'd like to talk to you about stews and soups. Most of the basic ingredients for stews and soups are already in your pantry or refrigerator. Stews just feel good this time of year in the cold weather when you can cozy up next to a piping hot bowl of something delicious. Soups and stews are extremely nutrient dense but light in calories. All of that brothy goodness is going to help you feel full and satisfied. If you're concerned about doing dishes, stews are prepared all in one pot, so no need for multiple cooking items. Make leftovers when you prepare stews because they actually taste better the next day when those flavors have had the chance to meld together in the refrigerator overnight. You can even freeze these leftovers to use at another time instead of warming up one of those frozen pizzas or TV dinners. To start your soup, look through and see what veggies you already have on hand. Onions, carrots, and celery make a classic soup base, but if you've got other veggies like spinach, green beans, peppers, mushrooms, they're going to add some additional flavors and textures for you to work with. While you can definitely throw all of these ingredients together on your stovetop or in your slow cooker, taking the time to brown these veggies is going to transform that flavor from ordinary to delicious. Canned foods or frozen veggies are also a great option because you can simply toss them in. Add a pop of color from some frozen peas or canned corn at the end of your cooking. Speaking of flavor, nobody wants a bland dinner. Canned soups and vegetables can contain a high amount of sodium, so preparing them yourself allows you to control that completely. Look to your spice drawer for inspiration. Think garlic, black pepper, rosemary, cumin, coriander, or even a pinch of cayenne to give it a kick. Tomato paste and low-sodium soy sauce can be a secret ingredient that adds quite a bit of richness to your stew. At the very end, add a little vinegar or lemon or lime to really balance and round out those flavors. If you're looking for extra protein to pack in your soup, consider canned beans or lentils. These are hearty options that are quick and easy to add to your stew. Not only are they loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they come at only a fraction of the calories that you would get from meat. Those lentils can be cooked directly in the broth, or the canned beans simply need to be rinsed before adding them into your stew. If you're still in the mood for something meatier, try some ground turkey. This is a lean protein. Brown it in your stock pot before preparing or adding in your other vegetables, as it'll add a lot of flavor to the final product. One cheap and easy way to add flavor and texture to your soup is by adding a healthy starch. Consider your sweet potatoes or white potatoes, cube them up, and cook them directly in the broth. Other healthy starches like brown rice or whole grain pasta can be added to your soup or even served on the side. Consider one of those ancient grains like farro or barley to add chewy texture and additional flavor. When using those, add a little extra water to your soup or stew as they tend to absorb quite a lot. Lastly, you need some delicious broth to pull all these flavors together. Stocks and bouillon cubes are fine as long as they're reduced sodium version. Try some canned tomatoes to add some extra texture and juicy flavor. You can also try coconut milk. Coconut milk is going to add a rich and creamy texture without the added calories of a heavy cream. If you have any further questions about healthy nutrition, please make an appointment with me, the dietitian, at Lower Lights Christian Health Center, or visit Mount Carmel Healthy Living Center's website. You deserve healthy food, and thanks for joining.